everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do something with the Mask Off song by Future, released in 2017. Yep, it's been 5 years now and that song is still a banger. And the song was produced by Metro Boomin. Everybody knows Metro Boomin, right? You know Metro Boomin. So Metro Boomin sampled a song from the 70s. Actually, it's from 1976 if I'm not mistaken. It's from the Selma album. The song is by Tommy Butler and Kelton Williams. So before we get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget that like button. That like button means a lot. Sorry for that, sorry. So that's it. I'm gonna head to my FL studio and let's get cooking. I dragged in the song by Tommy Butler. So what I'm gonna do is cut out the part that I'm gonna use, the legendary part, and that's basically the first part of the song. Let me play the song for you, just a bit, because I don't wanna get any copyright strike. Feel me? So I'm gonna cut off the first part right here. Magic, just magic. So right now I don't even know how to do it. So I'm gonna make use as a sample, 150 or something like that. I'm dragging some of my samples. Go get the your boy unlock it loop pack. Yes, get the fucking loop pack. There's not many sounds inside. Ooh. So I just got the sample right here and I'm gonna flip it a bit. Yo boy, recheck the keys. Yo boy, recheck the keys. So here we got the sample chopped up, so I'm gonna add the drums on top of it. Not like on top of it, like, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean, right? Start with the clear. So before we go any further, I'm just gonna filter this song using parametric EQ 2, of course. So I don't like the nasty frequencies that are coming from this side. I'm just gonna add a little bit of reverb. I use stock plugins. I don't want to complicate anything. not gonna go through this bullshit. I'm just gonna hand the job over to the professionals, you feel me? That's about it. So I'm gonna see mine. Ooh, I like it. So I'm just gonna start adding the drums. We're gonna start with the key.